any traffic normality.
Following heavy rain in the state recently, the State Disaster Management Authority has asserted that the state government incurred huge losses in terms of damage to infrastructure. Commissioner and Secretary of the Revenue and Disaster Management, Sanjay Goyal, said that the government stands fully prepared to deal with eventualities arising out of heavy rainfall in the state.
I believe. So these are the areas which are normally vulnerable, and we are on alert. As we have mentioned, the day for yesterday's meeting of the Honorable Chief Minister was focusing on this part, that wherever there are vulnerable areas of the flood areas or the likely to be flooded areas, we should be totally prepared, and if required, we evacuate the vulnerable population or the households and take them to a safer place, which in most of the cases is some school nearby which is at a higher elevation, or maybe some community hall and things like that.
As part